As you know that I am doing material science previous year questions. I've already completed many videos, so this is the last video of this previous year question of material science. And these questions from GATE, IES and IAS, and this will be helpful for those students who are student of mechanical engineering, and obviously for those who has one of the subject as a material science. This is about myself. Let's see the last video of this previous year question of material science. Materials, match list question, material and use, typical use. Branched polyethylene, polyester, polyvinyl, diene chloride, linear polyethylene, bottles, titral fibers, film of packaging, transparent film. See that? Okay, so the branched polyethylene, it is actually film of packaging. Polyester is textile fiber, and polyvinyl diene chloride, okay, it is actually bottles, and linear polyethylene, transparent film. Okay, so the answer is B. Next question, gunmetal which is used in journal bearing contains copper, tin, zinc. Okay, so copper, okay, copper, zinc, aluminium, copper, magnesium, aluminium, copper, tin and lead. It is actually C, 85% of copper, 5% of magnesium, 10% of aluminum. Next question, the correct composition of austenitic stainless steel used for domestic utensils. It is 0.8% carbon, chromium, nickel, Mn, manganese, silicon, okay, carbon, chromium, nickel, magnesium, silicon. So they are changing, they are shuffling the composition, whatever is given in the first option, those things is repeating. So I think it's not required to read again and again. So it is actually 0.8% carbon, 18% chromium, 0.8% nickel, 2% Mn, 1% silicon. Answer is B. So this is like fact-based question, factual-based question. So you have to remember this. There is no alternate. Next, quartz is a ferroelectric material, ferromagnetic material, piezoelectric material, diamagnetic material. This is actually C, piezoelectric material. Quartz is a piezoelectric material. Okay, answer is C. Next question, duralumin alloy contains aluminium and copper in the ratio of, okay, so these are the option 94:4 कॉपर और एल्यूमिनियम का परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है 98, 88, 10, 36, 12. This is actually A, 94 and 4. Okay, so duralumin alloy contains aluminium and copper, ratio of 94% aluminium and 4% of copper. So the answer is A. Next, Babbitt lining is used on brass bronze bearings to increase bearing resistance, increase comprehensive strength, provide anti-friction properties, increase wear resistance. So this is actually C, provide anti-friction property. Okay, provide anti-friction property. So Babbitt lining means provide anti-friction properties. Next, okay, match list, neoprene, bakelite, foamed polyurethane, araldite. Okay, so electric switches, adhesive, thermal insulator, oil seal. That Okay, neoprene, it is oil seal. Bakelite, it is electric switches, you know that. Okay, we have seen many places this. uh, Foamed polyurethane is adhesive, और जो बचा वो हमारा हो जाएगा thermal insulator. So the answer is C. Next, which one of the following material is used for card or type as standard material? Card types as a standard material: styrene, butadiene rubber, SPR, uh, butyl rubber, nitrile rubber, any of the above depending on the upon the need. So this is actually SBR. Okay, styrene butadiene rubber. Answer is A. Next, the percentage of phosphorus in phosphor bronze is 0.1%, 1%, 11.1%, 98%. This is actually 8.1%. Next question. Tin base white metal are used where the bearing are subjected to large surface wear, elevated temperature, light rod and pressure, high pressure and load. So this is actually D, high pressure and load. So tin base white metal are used where the bearing are subjected to high pressure and load. Next, machine tool frames should have high rigidity to weight ratio. Okay, graphite in the form of nodule, low hardness, high work hardness. Actually, A, high rigidity to weight ratio. Okay. Next question. Machine tool structure are made for high process capability. Okay, so we have to fill this gap with tough, strong, rigid. So this is actually rigid. Okay, it is actually rigid. So machine tool structure are made rigid for high process capability. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect about duralumin? It is prone to age hardening. It can be forged. It has good machining properties. Okay, it is lighter than pure aluminum. So it is actually it has good machining properties. Okay, so it is the incorrect. They're asking about incorrect. Okay, it is good machining property. No, this is wrong. Okay, it is prone to age hardening. Yes, it can be forged. Yes, it is lighter and pure aluminum. Yes, but this is wrong. So that's why answer is C. They are asking for incorrect. They're not asking for the correct. I think the last question of material science. Okay. So cartridge brass can be cold rolled into sheet, drawn into wire, formed into tubes, any of the above. Okay, so this is actually कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. Okay, it is like any of them, like कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, this is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Cold rolled into sheet, yes. Drawn into wires, yes. Form into tube, yes. Okay, so that's the answer is D. कुछ भी correct है. Okay, so this was the end of material science previous year question from the exams like GATE, IES and IAS. Okay, so in this the similar manner I will complete for all the subject like fluid mechanics is already running, strength of material is already running, thermodynamics is also running. So I will come up with the other subject as well. Okay, and I will finish entire not I will not say entire, but yeah, most of the question which is already came in these exams. Okay, so please keep watching. If you have any doubt, you can get my uh, mail ID from the channel. You can mail me. I will be happy to answer your queries. And yes, you can also comment if you don't understand in any of the question. Okay, so just wait for I have already started for um, fluid mechanics lecture series. Okay, so you can also start watching that. Slowly I will start the other subject as well. Okay, it will help you for long term. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.